Well, today I am back again with my 2013 Renault Duster, and this vehicle has clocked 41,000 kilometers, and this is the first time I'm going to replace the brake pads. So the stock brake pads are, I think, of TVS, but then I googled and I got to know that I would like to change this with Brembo. So this is the Brembo brake pad set. It has 4 pieces in it, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to let me show you this first. It comes with 4 bolts, and there's a booklet inside, and these are the brake pads. They look really good. Looks like that they are going to do a good job. So let's see how they work. So let me tell you how we are going to open the. As of now I've just opened the wheel, right? So you can see the vehicle is on jack, and for the safety, in case the jack slips, I've put the wheel underneath the vehicle. Now this is the caliper pins. So what you need is you need a 13 mm round key and a 15 mm key. So 15 mm key you need to put here, and with this 13 mm round you need to open the bolt. Let me do it. One bolt here and the other one is right here. Once the bolts are undone, so take the bolts out, and you need to push the master cylinder, pull the master cylinder out like this. Now the master cylinder is out. You can put it like this so that there is no pressure on the pipe which carries the brake fluid. Alright. So these are the caliper pins. So as of now the master cylinder is resting on one of the caliper pins. Okay, so you need to check this also out. In case there is any crack or anything, you need to replace the this rubber washer of the master cylinder, which carries the red grease. Here I am going to use this TVS grilling caliper grease, which is easily available in the market for say 20 odd rupees. This does a good job. The same I have been using this same TVS grease for my Maruti Ritz also. Since 2009 I am using this, so it works fine. So as of now I don't think there is a need of putting any grease here, because the vehicle has just clocked 1,000 kilometers. So now very carefully you need to take the brake pads out like this. You have to be very, very careful. And let me tell you, don't mind, because your hands are going to get dirty. There is a lot of carbon here. One is this. You can say there was a life left. This is the leather. But then over a period of time the leather becomes hard, so the braking becomes a bit dicey. So once the brake leathers are out, you can use this 3M high power brake cleaner agent. This is available on Amazon. Well, I bought it from Amazon. So what you can do is like this. There is no problem. You can use it on the disc pad also. There is no problem with that. And behind also. It's going to give life to your brakes. Alright, master cylinder also we have cleaned. Cleaned the brake system with the 3M brake cleaner, and we have also pushed the master cylinder back. Alright, so how this can be done is, I'll just explain you. You don't have to do anything. You just need to take, like in my case I have taken this hammer and I just put it like this, and I have pushed this back. So you need to apply equal force from both the ends, and then the master cylinder goes back. when you are doing this job, you only need to take care that you need to open the this cover of the brake fluid container, which you can see here. You need to open this so that the excessive brake oil goes out of the this thing container. So now what you do is hold it like this here. Okay. So now, right now I have put this can beneath this so that there is no strain on the pipe. So this is the new Brembo brake pad. You can see the thickness if you compare. This is the difference. This much is the difference. This was still there, but then just to be on the safer side, I'm replacing this. It is not much, so I would not say that I'm replacing it quite early, because it has already lived its life. Okay, so I have these are the channels. So what you do is you can clean the lubricate the channel with this. This thing. After this, hold the like this brake pad like this and push it inside. Same for this side, like this. Now you can see the Brembo brake pads. They're there on the vehicle. These are the caliper pins, as I told you. So you remove this. There's a grease inside, but still putting a bit of grease here. Don't overdo it. Only this much is enough. This is one. Okay. And okay. This is two. Overdoing doesn't help. Rather, it is going to put pressure on the caps. Okay, so the movement is free. Okay. You can check the movement. If there is air inside, you can remove it. Okay. Okay. Like this. Checked. Perfect. So now we have put the cylinder back after greasing the caliper pins. In my case, I am using the same old bolts. I am not going to use the new ones which have come with the Brembo brakes. Not really required. I don't think there's a problem with the old bolts. So okay, so once everything is done, so what you need to ensure is same job the way we did it while we were replacing the pads. Now we'll tighten the bolts. Don't need to overdo it, but you just need to check. Alright, now this is how we have replaced the Brembo brake pads on the Renault Duster. So let me tell you this, I'm not putting this video for the